Hello and welcome to the daily message for this 13th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Last Sunday, for the first time in over 3 months, I was able to attend Mass in person at the college church in St. Louis. And the feeling I experienced being at Mass in person for the first time in so long was one of just deep and profound and overwhelming gratitude. Gratitude for the gift of the Eucharist. Gratitude for being able to hear the Word of God. Gratitude for being able to be in the presence of the worshiping community for the first time in so long. And so in that spirit, I want to just offer the responsorial psalm for today's Mass, this 13th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Please join me in prayer. Forever I will sing the goodness of the Lord. The promises of the Lord I will sing forever. Through all generations, my mouth shall proclaim your faithfulness. For you have said, my kindness is established forever. In heaven you have confirmed your faithfulness. Blessed the people who know the joyful shout. In the light of your countenance, O Lord, they walk. At your name they rejoice all the day, and through your justice they are exalted. You are the splendor of their strength, and by your favor our horn is exalted. For to the Lord belongs our shield, and the Holy One of Israel, our King. Forever I will sing the goodness of the Lord.